Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inserting or revealing the page you need. Press Ctrl plus Enter to force a page break where desired. This separates content cleanly. Once done, open the View tab and enable navigation pane so you can jump to thumbnails or headings quickly. Make sure to adjust layout options, margins, and size if your page flow changes. This prevents unexpected reflows and keeps headers and footers consistent. You're already controlling where content lives and how pages display as you work. Now refine structure by moving and formatting. You can drag headings inside the navigation pane to reorder entire sections. That's faster than cut and paste for long documents. If you need different headers, footers, or page numbering, insert section breaks from layout and choose next page or continuous. Once sections are set, use Format Painter to copy styles across pages, keeping typography and spacing consistent. Remember to update page numbers and insert page number. After section changes, finish by ensuring pagination and fields are correct. Select everything with Ctrl plus A and press F9 to update cross-references and page numbers. This prevents mismatched numbering. If pagination looks wrong, turn on Show /Hide formatting marks to spot extra paragraph marks, page breaks, or section breaks that push content unexpectedly. Once satisfied, check Print Preview to confirm how pages will print. If things still misalign, remove the offending break or copy content to a clean document to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.